look good. Cinderella fancy, but she still look hood. Butt naked in the kitchen flipping pancakes. Plus she tricking off the dough that a man makes. We got our own handshake, her titties ain't fake. Fucking in the car cause we just can't wait to get home. Early in the morning, getting stoned. Pretty with her eyes low, money by Bible. The type of bitch that Big said he would die for. Is the type that I'd rather stay alive for. Tats on her back, looking all tribal. She knows shoes, like she knows survival. Well put together, she weathered the storm. Seen her brother die, so forever she's strong. Hit Beyonce's song and she gotta perform. Whether fucking or fighting, we getting it on. Ghetto dreams, ghetto dreams, ghetto niggas dreams. From the hood. I notice all my flaws when it come to writing rhymes. Subject matter be changing too quickly.
Over it. What's true and what is fake? I don't see the point of it. Or something like that. Or